Kia ora team, so this is Meola Reef Reserve. We're going to have fun. We're going to pick up litter, we're going to talk about litter pollution, we're going to talk about this beautiful place and the connection to this beautiful place. Glass, tiles, anything unnatural.
So much glass, isn't
There's
it?
loads, like we could literally be here all day.
Good load of plastics and trash bags. Quite a good load of them.
Random stuff here. Chips. Coffee. And just a lot of random plastic. This one came out of the bushes, but everything else was like right there. Yeah.
Beer bottles and bottle shards, I would say. And yeah, the rest of the stuff are quite ordinary ones, which everyone dumps out in the ocean.
Each year, it's estimated that there's about 8 million metric tons of plastic that end up in our oceans. So the point isn't necessarily what we're doing today, it's what we're taking away to change our behaviours. There's no reason why we can't, it's just a little bit of effort to do a little bit better. So I want you to see it as small little challenges each day, that we can be better today than we were yesterday, and we can be a bit better tomorrow than today.